Hello everyone, welcome back to our science class. Today we will study about digestive system. It is a system where we will see how food being processed in our body. Do you know what happened when we eat? We have something called digestive system. Now, let's go into the journey of the food to get into our body. Shall we? First, the food goes into your mouth.
Nice.
You chew the food with your teeth. And there's also saliva that helps us to digest in our mouth. When the food is soft enough, we can swallow the food and it goes to our throat. Or to be more specific, it's called gullet. Gullet have an interesting way to move because the food needs to get down inside the stomach, so the tube that we call gullet will try to push the food inside by moving their muscles like this. Now we move to the stomach. This is where the food will get really digested. It's got digested by gastric acid. Why is it like that? Because to get nutrients from the food, we need to make the food really soft. After the stomach, we move into the small intestines. This is where a lot of nutrients got absorbed to our body. When our nutrients get inside our body, the blood will bring the nutrients throughout the body to the place where we need. After we finish with the small intestine, let's go to the large intestine. This is where the rest of the nutrients get absorbed, even water. The rest of it becomes waste and we need to dump it away through something that we call as anus. Yes, I know, it's kind of funny, but that's what it's called. And I don't want to repeat it again. Okay? And we call the waste as feces. We usually dump our feces in the toilet every day. But sometimes we got diarrhea. It is when our feces becomes too soft and watery. And usually we can get diarrhea because of virus infection. But don't worry, it's normal. And usually we can get better in around 2 until 3 days. Now, because we have what we call as a digestive system, how do we take care of our digestive system? Of course, it's up to what we eat. It depends on what you eat. We need to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables because it has a lot of fibers. If we eat food with a lot of fibers, we can have a good digestion. If we don't, for example, if we want to eat chocolate and cakes every day, we can get a stomach ache and our feces cannot be flown easily in the large intestines. So please keep your diet balance, okay? Just eat healthy and don't eat too much of sweets, chocolate, cakes, or anything. It's alright if you want to eat something that you like, but don't eat too much. If you eat too much, you will get stomachache. Also, we need to take care of our food. Why? Because if we eat something that is already rotten, we can have a stomach ache. So, how to make our food still good? We need to preserve them. But how do we preserve them? Does anyone know how to do it? Well, first of all, we need to store our food in a well-ventilated place. For example, the refrigerator can help us to keep our food fresh because we use the cold to make the bacteria grow slower. Also, when we want to cook our food, first thing is we need to wash our hands thoroughly because our hands have a lot of bacteria on it. So we need to use water and soap to clean our hands. We also need to clean and cook our food properly.
That's lovely. Beautiful. Jerk chicken. Jerky.
Why? Because there are germs on our food before we cooked it. So if we cook it very nicely, properly, we will kill all the germs that may be in the food. This is the end of the video and thank you for watching. I hope you can learn a lot from this unit and I do hope that you have a really good health and please keep yourself clean and healthy. I will see you again next time then. Bye bye.